Hi everyone, welcome back to Creative Cups Art. Today, let's draw a fun, super cute, smiling SpongeBob. So grab your pencils and papers and let's start. First, let's draw two big circles close to each other. These are SpongeBob's eyes. Now let's draw a curved nose in the middle, slightly overlapping the eyes. Now let us add cheeks by drawing small curved lines on both sides. Make a big curved smile under the nose. Now let's draw two square teeth hanging from the smile. Inside each eye, draw smaller circles for the pupils. Color them black. Now let's outline the outer edge of the eye. Now let's draw tiny straight lines above the eyes for eyelashes. Draw a small wavy line under the smile to add the chin. Now let's draw a big wavy square around the face. This is SpongeBob's body. Now let's draw a short line and then further we'll draw the rectangle pants below. Add a cute little tie below the neck. draw two thin straight lines for legs. Add small rounded shoes at the bottom. Time to draw arms and sleeves. Draw thin arms on both sides and add small sleeves near the shoulders. Now let's bring our SpongeBob to life with bright, happy colors. Wow, our happy SpongeBob is all done. Keep shining, keep smiling, keep creating, and hit like, share, and subscribe to Creative Cups Art for more fun. See you in the next one.